In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We'll walk through how to create a contact label in Google Contacts and use it as an email group, so you can message multiple people at once with a single name. All you need is a Google account and a web browser. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's where Google keeps your labels, which are simply named groups of contacts. Labels are flexible. A single contact can belong to more than one label, and labels help you organize teams, classes, or event lists without duplicating contacts. Next, find the Create Label option in the side menu. It's represented by a small plus icon. If your sidebar is collapsed, click the menu icon at the top to expand it so you can see the Labels section. Click the plus icon to start a new label. A small window appears asking for a label name. Choose something clear and descriptive. Think project team, parents group, or volunteers. Short, memorable names work best, and avoiding special characters keeps things tidy. When you're happy with the name, click Save. You'll see your new label appear immediately in the list on the left. Now it's time to choose who belongs in that group. In your contacts list, scroll or use the search bar at the top to find people. Click the checkbox next to each contact to select them. You can select multiple contacts at once. The toolbar at the top will show how many you've selected, which is helpful when you're building a larger group. Pro tip: use Shift-click to select a range or the master checkbox at the top to select all visible results after a search. With your contacts selected, add them to the label you created. Look for the label icon on the top toolbar, click it, and choose your label from the drop-down. Google will confirm the assignment. You can repeat this anytime as your group grows. To double-check, click the label's name in the left sidebar to see only the contacts in that group. If someone's missing, they might not be saved as a contact yet. Add them later and apply the same label. That's it. You've created a reusable email group in Google Contacts. The next time you compose an email in Gmail, start typing the label name in the To field, and Gmail will suggest it, automatically expanding to everyone in that group. If you ever need to adjust it, just return to Google Contacts to add or remove people. The label stays the same, but its members update instantly. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.